Today,
Thank you so
our
much, Karuna.
excellent. Today, our topic is we are going to discuss for the benefit of our audiences that how a broker can also play a very important role in wealth creation and how a broker can also help you to achieve all the financial goals if you plan it strategically. Now, before we get into this conversation, I would like to make a disclaimer that this podcast is not a financial advice. It's a conversation that we are having for the benefit of the audiences. But if you need specific advice in terms of the accounting or your borrowing capacity, you can get in touch with either of us, for which I will be leaving the details in the description of this podcast. Let's get the ball rolling, Neeti. Now, tell our audiences a little bit about yourself.
Yes, as you have rightly said, I am the principal broker and the founder of GB Financials. I've been in this industry for almost all my life. So, almost 20 years of experience as an ex-banker and the financial broker as well. We do basically cater all over Australia. Anybody who is actually looking to create wealth via property or just even buying their first home, or the business clients who are struggling to understand the cash flow loopholes in their entire financials. We are the ones we provide the what I call financial injections in their businesses as well.
These challenges that for the client who's looking to borrow, what are the challenges you think they are facing?
Sure. First and foremost, there is a lot of information online, Karuna. And again, I always say when there is a specific problem which a specific professional can handle in a specific professional manner for you. In accounting, two similar businesses started their journey at the same time, might not have the similar sort of models. They rely on social media channels and the existing buyers who want to buy the investment properties or the second, third, fourth property. They are also very threatened by all of this over information all over the place.
You are like that specific doctor who can help them. What do you think, given RBA has not even changed the interest rate or lowered them down over the Christmas break?
Why there has not been any decline into the interest rates? Because they are watching the pricing index. It's been Australian market has been very very interesting, and it does get direct impact from the macro level of economics and political landscapes. What's happening in US? We don't want to start reducing the rates straight away after even there is one or two things which are working in our favor, which might be in favor of a lot of clients as well. Because I say when we teach a lot of things in our financial literacy sessions, and I say interest rate is just one tiny little factor in your entire journey. And this is where again I would say a broker, an accountant in your entire journey, if you have got the experts around you.
Yeah.
In terms of the rates changing, the fixed rates, they have started to increase already because the data over the period has not been coming favorable. So I'm not seeing any variable rates decline probably for first quarter of this year at all. But again, as you rightly said, it's all generic information,
Yes.
depending on the data that we have been provided as well. People who have got that experts team around them, like an expert, like a really, really great accountant around them, a broker around them, a financial planner around them, they just make the decision based on the information they have been provided from the experts, and they just move on. People who would not even bother making an appointment with an accountant or with a financial planner,
Because they are also trying to work with you to get to your goals that you wish to achieve in a period of time. Moving on, Niti, what are the most common mistakes that people make before applying for a loan that can hurt their chances?
a lot of people they are in a habit of just sending the online quotes to different lenders, to different banks, and they don't realize sometimes, specifically the small business owners. There are one self-employed people who have got amazing accountants behind them, and they work really well with them, and they just throw the entire burden on the accountants, and they know that whatever they will be doing in the background, it will be in their good interest, right?
Yeah.
If you are in a business and if you have no plans of growth or upscaling your business, you are wasting your time. You should rather go and go back and work for someone, because businesses are meant to be grown. I've seen, the amazing accountants who can completely change the entire business journey or the wealth creation journey. This is what I try to explain all the time to the clients who are really scared of borrowing money, or they're not understanding how is it going to impact your business growth and stuff. Good debt is the debt which will help you in growing your business to the next stage and upscaling. And it could be in terms of investing in the new technology, or hiring the new staff, or renovating your